Now I have covered each tray with their lids, and we will leave it covered for 2 days. But in the morning and evening, we will open the trays and spray them with some water. Keeping the trays covered will retain the moisture inside the trays and will enhance the sprouting of the seeds. Today is day 2 and we can see that the seeds have started sprouting already. From today we will leave the containers open, but will continue to mist them in the morning and in the evening. We are going to move these containers to a well-lit place near a window. Today is day 10 after we started growing the microgreens. This is the mustard green. We can eat it with our salad or can be added in our veggie omelette. Cutting my greens today. This is the mustard green. You can cut it about a ½ inch above the root level. This is the green gram, but also you can cut it about ½ inch from the root level. And this is the black chickpea. The black chickpea took longer to sprout and grow compared to the mustard seed and the green gram. Microgreens are about 10 times higher in nutrients compared to the regular green leafy vegetables. In the second method, I'm going to use this strainer to spread the seeds. After spreading the seeds evenly inside the strainer is placed over a bowl with water, and the water level should be just touching the bottom of the strainer. As the seeds start sprouting, the roots will grow into the water. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.